It was now 8 hours since a giant earthquake under the Indian Ocean had triggered a massive tsunami. And the enormous wave was still on the move. First, it battered the town of Banda Aceh. Now that's here at the northern tip of the Indonesian island of Sumatra, and that's not far from the epicenter of the earthquake around here. Then it heads north and hits Thailand and then Sri Lanka. Now the ripples of the tsunami are spreading out at this point, and although they've lost some of their power, they're still capable of inflicting serious damage when they reach as far as the east coast of Africa, 4,000 miles away. The original earthquake which caused the tsunami measured 9.1 magnitude. So enormous that it set 30 trillion litres of water in motion. Even this long after the earthquake, the wave was still travelling at high speed. But every mile it covered decreased its power. Now, as it approached the coast of Africa, it hit undersea rocks and coral reefs, which slowed it down even more. That meant the waves were far smaller than those that had hit Thailand 6.5 hours earlier. By the time they reached the coast of Somalia, the waves had shrunk in size from 50 feet to 16 feet. But they were still powerful enough to make 50,000 people homeless and kill nearly 300. By now, in Britain and around the world, the tsunami was leading the news bulletins.
Paradise lost, the tropical coastline smashed by nature's awesome power.
But details were still sketchy. What all the news organisations desperately needed was to get journalists on the ground. They began scrambling reporters onto planes to get them out to Southeast Asia. But in Sri Lanka, in the resort of Tangul, one journalist was already there, caught up in the event herself. Katie Razzle was on her honeymoon with her husband Oz when the tsunami struck. What happens on Boxing Day morning?
And I went out